Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this needs to go up and finish off this WXY pattern. I think this is an ABC of wave Y, and the wave A and the wave C should be a trend on shorter time frames. All part of this three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and three waves up for wave Y. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, to me it looks like the correction is over. I mean, it looks like a wave 1. It looks like three waves down to a Fibonacci level, wave 2. It looks to me like this is going to potentially go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which is a wave C of wave Y, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I am pretty convinced that the correction is over. I mean, it looks like a nice 1, 2, 3 waves down. The wave C is three waves, which is kind of concerning, but I really don't think that it matters too much. I think this is a wave 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. We got a nice 78% bounce. I personally think there's a very good likelihood this could go up for a wave 3 now. Now, there's always a possibility this move up turns into an ABC correction to the downtrend, and if that is the case, then we definitely should be able to recognize it. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely say this right here is an uptrend. I would label it as either an A or a 1. I definitely think this is a downtrend also, which is why I suspect that this could go down again to make a more proper looking B or a more proper looking 2 before it actually goes up and either makes a C, which would look like this, bounce from a fib level and go back down, or possibly make a 3, which would most likely just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I do suspect that this is very likely to go down and make that wave C like I showed on the 4 hour time frame, but I would be a little cautious. It could possibly just make a correction to this last push up, three waves down and positive up, and just keep on trending up. So if you do see three waves down, A, B, C, and positive up, then I would definitely get out of my shorts and I would go long. Otherwise, I would just hold on to my shorts because I think it's likely that it would go down and take out these lows, and this would be an A, this would be a B, and this would be a C, just like I showed on the 4 hour time frame, either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.